Hello friends, you're on the Pro Machines channel. My name is Anton and my partner is Ivan. We're happy to welcome you to our channel, and today we'd like to tell you about our corrugated sheet metal profiling line. This is a high-speed line with a throughput of 24 meters per minute for a product length of 2 meters. The line handles metal with a thickness of 0.3 to 0.8 millimeters. The line comes with a roller cutter mounted on linear guides. An electric cutter can be installed. On the right side, the guides are adjusted by turning the hand wheels, allowing you to adjust the roll width. On the left side, there are hand wheels with revolution counters, allowing you to control the guide movement to change the profile for roofing or wall applications. By moving the guides to the side, we allow the metal to fall onto the outer rollers, which form a capillary groove. As for the profiling rollers, they are made of 45-grade steel. After being shaped, they undergo galvanic treatment and are coated with hard chrome. This gives the roller surface a hardness of 48 to 52 HRC, making them impact-resistant and corrosion-resistant. In China, this technology is well-developed and inexpensive. The roller surface is resistant to abrasive wear and corrosion and has a low coefficient of friction, reducing adhesion. When rolling galvanized metal, zinc practically does not stick to the rollers. This tool will serve you for many years, and don't believe anyone who tells you otherwise. Even on precision straightening machines around the world, the working shafts are coated with chrome to withstand high loads and wear. The line has a consistent profiling strategy and 20 profiling stands. The chain drive uses 1.2-inch thick Japanese chains and 80mm thick solid shafts. A powerful 7.5 kilowatt servo motor powers the shafts. The servo motor has its own encoder, which, when paired with the main Omron encoder, ensures high feed accuracy. Another 5.5 kilowatt servo motor is installed on the guillotine, ensuring minimal delay when cutting the profile to size. The upper beam, which holds the blade, is supported by linear guides, ensuring secure attachment and free movement. A centralized automatic lubrication system keeps all active moving parts in good condition. You simply need to ensure the lubricant level is always present in the reservoir. By default, we offer a control system based on Delta components, but components from other brands, Schneider, Siemens, or others, can be installed upon customer request. Each line comes with a wireless control panel, which is used when loading metal into the rolling mill. The control system software, as well as the technical documentation, can be translated into your preferred language. Our service includes preparing an operating manual for each line, which provides detailed information on machine maintenance, setup, software use, and even self-installation for simple lines. The documentation also includes electrical diagrams, hydraulic diagrams, pneumatic diagrams, a list of purchased and wear parts, including drawings of knives and dies, if applicable. If you order a line through us, we will help you prepare a technical specification that meets your needs and select the optimal machine from a wide range of suppliers, not the most expensive one, but the one with the best price-quality ratio. We know how to communicate with suppliers, can clearly explain and convey all technical specifications to engineers, and can help draft a contract that protects your interests. My partner, Ivan, who is permanently based in China, will oversee the project's proper execution before it begins production at the factory, allowing us to identify and correct errors at the machine design stage. During the machine acceptance stage, we will test its operation in all modes, conduct video recording, and prepare a report. You don't even have to visit the factory, but you can rest assured that you'll receive a working machine that has passed all inspection stages. This expertise guarantees you'll receive exactly what you need at a competitive price, without having to spend a lot of time and effort. I'll conclude this video. Like and subscribe to the channel. Wishing you success in your business.